Ever wondered which creature can survive in space without any protective gear? Hold that thought, we'll circle back to it. Picture this. You're in a world where everything is microscopic, yet these tiny entities possess astounding abilities that defy the natural laws we've come to understand. Three objects, or rather creatures, that inhabit this world are the tardigrade, the amoeba, and the rotifer. Each one encapsulates a unique trivia fact that will leave you astounded. Kicking things off with the tardigrade, a tiny water-dwelling organism, also known as the water bear. Don't let its cute nickname fool you. This microscopic creature is tougher than a grizzly. It can survive in the most extreme conditions, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, from the Arctic to the Sahara. But the most mind-boggling fact about the tardigrade? It can survive in outer space, exposed to the lethal vacuum and radiation. Yes, you heard it right. This microscopic entity can live where no human can, without a suit. Next up, meet the amoeba, a single-celled organism that has no definite shape. It's like a tiny living blob of water, constantly changing its form. But its shape-shifting abilities aren't the only thing that's impressive. An amoeba can actually split itself into two identical organisms. It's a process known as binary fission. Imagine being able to make an exact copy of yourself whenever you wanted. The amoeba does that every day. Finally, we have the rotifer, a microscopic organism that's been around for millions of years. The rotifer doesn't need a partner to reproduce. It has the unique ability to reproduce asexually, a process known as parthenogenesis. Essentially, the females produce eggs that can develop into more females, even without fertilization. So, to recap, the tardigrade, the amoeba, and the rotifer are three microscopic creatures with abilities that sound like they come straight out of a science fiction novel. The tardigrade can survive in space, the amoeba can split itself into two, and the rotifer can reproduce without fertilization. And these are just a few examples of the mind-boggling facts that the microscopic world holds. To answer the trivia question from the beginning, the tardigrade is the creature that can survive in space without any protective gear, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life, even at its smallest scale. Who knew that such tiny creatures could hold such fascinating secrets? And yet, they do, proving time and again that there's always more to learn, more to discover, and more to understand about the world around us, no matter how small.